Hello, ladies. How to make a man miss you. This is a little counterintuitive. So let's talk about what's happening in the dating process, right? So you go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 dates or so, and now you start to like the guy. And at some point, whether it be date 6, date 20, whatever feels right for you, you start to feel comfortable, comfortable enough to take your clothing off and have sex with this man. And now you repeat this process multiple times, and now you've had sex a bunch of times with this person. Every time you have sex, oxytocin is produced. That is the bonding hormone. So we don't need to go too deep into the science, but let's just say when you have sex, and I'm sure you've all felt this, you feel really close to this person. This is not what happens inside a male body. So after you have sex, you feel bonded, and sometimes you may start to think, well, since we're having sex and we're seeing each other a lot, we must be in a relationship. Everything's all good. I'm into him, and he must miss me. So once you're having sex, maybe you decide, well, I guess I have free reign to text him whenever I want now, call him, because we must be in a relationship, and I'm feeling really bonded. He must be feeling the same. The counterintuitive thing about this is that strategy is not right. And just because you're feeling something doesn't mean he's feeling something. The real strategy, in which will, one, have you be successful, and two, have you being happier and healthier within the relationship, is even after you have sex, you are still a single woman and you still have all your interests and everything that existed before him. So if you had your social activities, your friends, your career, your social life, all of that, keep doing that business as usual. Keep having him reach out to you. Don't reach out to him. And this is counterintuitive because you think you've earned the right to now communicate. But keep going through your normal routine and keep allowing him to pursue you. He will start to miss you when he's not with you, when he's not hearing from you. When you are busy living your life like you should be, he's going to start to think, shit, I have it pretty good with her. I like spending time with her. I like having sex with her. I like seeing her. I like pursuing her. I like trying to make her feel special. I would like more access to her. I'm not seeing her as much as I want to. She is so great. I would like to talk to her more. I'd like to be with her more. I miss her. Since I miss her, since I want more access to her, I should take her off the market. I don't want her spending time with another guy. I also would like higher priority. If we start moving towards a serious relationship, perhaps on a Wednesday, I will supersede seeing her best friend because now hopefully I've moved into that spot. I want to get that. I want to earn this access. So how to make a man miss you is keep living your life so that he can chase you, he can court you. After hearing me say this explanation, go in the comments and give me a yes or a hands up or Mike, you're a genius. All those will work. I like being called a genius. Words of affirmation. You all know this. Anyway, if this was helpful, let me know. And be a great girlfriend and share this with your girlfriends if this was helpful. If you want to watch more videos, go up there or there. We'll watch some more videos. Love all of you.